Heavy-duty service providers are under pressure. Technician shortages and customer demands for uptime continue to rise. Outdated paper-based processes only make things worse, slowing technicians down, creating errors, and delaying repairs. To stay competitive, you need a smarter solution. That's where Karmak Mobile Service comes in. Karmak Mobile Service is a one-of-a-kind cloud-based app that streamlines service operations by digitizing the repair order process. As a seamless extension of the Karmak Fusion business system, it empowers technicians and service advisors to manage repair orders anytime, anywhere, all with real-time data synchronization to ensure accuracy, accountability, and faster turnaround times. With Karmak Mobile Service, creating repair orders is fast and easy. Simply scan or enter a VIN, set the repair order status, and update the meter reading, and your repair order is ready. Quickly add new tasks and use voice-to-text to capture customer concerns. Customer says he needs his brakes replaced. Clock onto the task with a single click and dive into the job. Need to add parts? Just scan a barcode to add them to the task. When finished, clock off the task and record your technician story to keep clear records. The app is flexible too. You can personalize your settings like switching to dark mode, adjusting the app's language, and customizing your workflows. You can even access usage and cost reports, all protected by Fusion's user group permissions. Karmak Mobile Service users report a 50% increase in data accuracy, 89% faster repair assignments, and a 201% return on their investment. Your first 30 days are free, then only pay $1 per managed repair order. Ready to transform your service operations? Contact your Karmak representative or visit karmak.com/mobile service app to get started.